काश मैं दौरे पैगंबर में उठाया जाता, काश मैं दौरे पैगंबर में उठाया जाता, बाखुदा कदमों में सरकार के पाया जाता।
And second, one more thing that I would like to add over here is that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has also written in the volume 18 of his Ruhani Khazain that the book that Yusuf Asif hold was also named as Bible by him. But interestingly, in this whole book, in this whole piece of work, there is no mention of Bible or a book,
and
not even a book.
This is, I remember, this is page 361, Ruhani Khazain volume,
exactly.
Volume 18. He mentioned that he had a book which is called the Bible, or the
He named
in Urdu we could call it Anjil. So he has Injil, Evangel.
But there is not a mention of a written.
There is nothing mentioned, and he said, on this page 361, volume 18, Ruhani Khazain, he said very clearly that if you want to know more about Yusuf Asif's story, that why was he Jesus Christ, Isa alayhi salam, then you should read the book. And when we read the book, sister, the book very clearly states that he had a father.
Miserably negated the concept of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani.
I'll remind you one more time, the phrase, shooting yourself in the foot.
Exactly.
So he did that. Well, first of all, I would like to say thank you very much to you. Jazakallah khair wa asma jazaa fi dunya wal akhirah. It has been wonderful speaking to you. It has been great speaking to you. You have really made the effort, and your research is quite fantastic. It's wonderful, confirming what Brother Shamsuddin has done in his videos. I spoke to him, I took his permission in fact before this video, and I said that I'm going to speak to our sister who is a revert from Qadiani about your videos, and we will discuss it. And he was very happy, and he was very excited to know that we will record this in English. Therefore, because the people who don't speak or don't understand Urdu, they will be able to get benefit from his research. So I want to thank you for this, that you spared time and you came. If you like to add something in the end, any message for
all my sisters,
yes,
and
indeed,
even brothers who are still Qadianis,
yes,
they must think over, they must ponder over why the Qadiani Murabbiyan, their ulmas, whatever name you may call them, why they have not revealed this fact to them, that this is clearly written in Kamaluddin book that this guy Yusuf Asif had a father. Why they did rather conceal this fact from them.
It's a very valid point.
They all must not only read the books of Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya, they are told by Allah Almighty to think over, to ponder over, and that's why they should not only refer to the books of Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya, rather they must do their research on their own.
It's a very valid point. I mean, I second that, what you've said. There could be only two reasons. Reason number one, either they don't know. They don't know. Either they don't know what is the reality behind it.
I think some of
Some
them
might do,
know,
but the
because
majority
they
might
have
not
also
know.
had a great vast study on the subject.
Indeed. Either they don't know, or the second reason is that they are being dishonest to themselves.
I endorse this reason.
Yeah, and I think dishonesty is not acceptable in any part of the world, especially when it comes to the matter of your iman, your faith in your heart.
Exactly.
We can probably get away with this in some aspects, although dishonesty is not appreciated anywhere. But when it comes to your akhirah, your iman, your faith, your deen, the whole thing bases the success in the hereafter basis on your iman, and you risk your iman, you completely destroy your iman. Dishonesty is not acceptable. Well, I think with this we have come to the end of this, and I thank you one more time. You have been wonderful. You've shared your views, and I will share this video with Brother Shamsuddin.
Exactly.
He will look into it. I'm sure he will like it. We've done it in English purely for the reason, although the research is his, and we must give him credit that he's done all the research. We only try to present a part of it in English so people from English-speaking countries can also understand that what games and what tricks have been played on their minds by Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani and then his Jamaat. So with this, I thank you one more time. Jazakumullah khair wa ahsanu jazaa fid dunya wal akhirah. Well, viewers, as you've seen today, our sister here, myself, I've done some studies myself, although I don't claim to be an alim. Shamsuddin brother has done a remarkable job. I think you should go to his channel, you should subscribe his channel, see these videos, and it's not only these 3-part videos on Use Asif, there are many others. Amazing research work is done, and it was my honor today. Personally, I want to say thank you to our brother Shamsuddin, that he allowed me, he gave me permission to do this discussion in English on his videos. And what we've seen today is that, and I invite all Qadianis today, all of you, brothers, sisters, please invite anybody who's next to you that you know who is a Qadiani. Ask them to get this book. Ask them to read this book. I'm not opening the page and showing you because it will take a lot of time. I'm not reading even from Urdu and translating in English because it takes a lot of time. But please, get this book, Kamaluddin. It's the book, the whole name of the book is Kamaluddin wa Tamamun Ni'ma. Kamaluddin wa Tamamun Ni'ma. And it is collected by Sheikh Sadduq Rahmullah Alayh and translated by Mujahid Hussain. And you can get it from Al-Muntazir Foundation, Lahore, Pakistan. Please get the book, give it to the Qadianis, or I request the Qadianis, please understand, we have no personal gain. Please get the book, verify the claim by brother Shamsuddin yourself, what we've discussed with our sister today and presented to you. Believe me, the claim that he attributed to Allah is false. All of his claims, therefore, are not acceptable, because he himself said once in one of his book, and you can check the reference, it can be provided in the comments. He said that if somebody lies about one thing in one statement and it is proven that he lied, then all of his other statements cannot be trusted. So according to his own claim, we have proved beyond the shadow of any doubt that he has lied about Use Asif to be Isa ibn Maryam and buried in Srinagar. If this claim is falsified and proven to be a false claim today, think about all the other claims that he has made for you.